We have already seen above the basic quadrilaterals, which are square, rectangle, parallelogram and trapezium. Good morning friends. As I have already told you, even though these basic quadrilaterals have four sides, they all have their own special properties that make them unique. So let's start with the properties of a rectangle now. You can see on the screen here, a rectangle has four sides. The opposite sides are equal and parallel in a rectangle. A rectangle has four right angles, that is each angle measuring 90 degrees. The sum of all the four interior angles is equal to 360 degrees, and the diagonals are equal. They bisect each other and divide the given rectangle into two equal triangles. So let me explain to you in detail. The first property says that a rectangle has four sides. So here we can see in the figure that AB, BC, CD and DA are the four sides of the rectangle. AB, BC, CD and DA are four sides of the rectangle. The second property is the opposite sides are equal and parallel in a rectangle. Yes. Now AB and CD are the opposite sides. Similarly, BC and AD are the another pair of opposite sides. So we can see here AB and CD, these both are equal as well as parallel. So AB is equal to CD and AB is parallel to CD. Similarly, let me name the other side, that is BC and AD. So in the same way, BC is equal to AD as well as BC is parallel to AD. The third property that we are going to see over here is a rectangle has four right angles. Yes, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So all four angles are right angles. That is, angle A is equal to angle B, which is equal to angle C and angle D. So each of them measure 90 degrees each. That means all four angles are right angles. Now when we add these interior angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C and angle D, when we add all four of them together, that is 90 degrees, 90 degrees plus 90 plus 90, it gives us 360 degrees. So that gives us the next property of the rectangle, that is the sum of all four interior angles is equal to 360 degrees. Now we are going to learn the last property, that is the diagonals are equal. Let me show you the diagonals here. AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. So these diagonals are equal, that is AC is equal to BD, and these diagonals divide the given rectangle, that is ABCD, into two equal triangles, that is ABC, this triangle. Similarly, ACD, this triangle. And the other way also you can see these two triangles, that is ABC and ACD, as well as we have another pair of triangles if we go to the another diagonal BD, that is we get triangle BCD, that is this triangle. Similarly, we get another triangle, that is ACD. So that were the properties of the rectangle. It has four sides. the opposite sides are equal and parallel. A rectangle has 4 right angles. The sum of all 4 interior angles in a rectangle make 360 degrees. The diagonals are equal. They bisect each other and divide the rectangle into 2 equal triangles. So that were the properties of rectangle. Next, in our next class, we will be learning the properties of square. Let me give you certain examples where we find these rectangles. Some examples are the window panes, the doors, the cot that we sit, the notebook, the textbooks that we make use. These are a few examples that we make use of the rectangular shape in our daily life. So keep watching for the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care.